All right, so example 2 says, are the following triangles similar? So if they are similar, then AB divided by XY would equal BC over YZ and would equal CA over ZX. Now just a little note here in this bubble, it says CA is the length from C to A. So that's talking about this, C to A. So in this case, that length would be 24. So now let's write this out. So back to AB. So AB divided by X, Y, and that's just rewriting this up here. So if we were to fill in the numbers, length A to B is up here, so that's 6. So it's 6 divided by XY. So XY is right here. So 6 divided by 3, that equals 2. The next one, the middle one over here, we're going to rewrite. So BC divided by YZ equals, we know that BC is 14 and YZ is 7. So 14 divided by 7 is also 2. The last one, CA over ZX. So I'm just going to rewrite those. CA over ZX equals, and we know that CA is 24 and ZX is 12, and 24 divided by 12 gives you 2. Now if we look here, this ratio is 2, this one is 2, and this one is 2. Because they all equal 2, we now know that the triangles are similar, and we can write. So therefore, triangle A, B, C is similar to triangle X, Y, Z. And make sure that order is important. So you want to follow the same order. Okay? So triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ.